Good Friday morning, and thank you for checking out your weather update here. Don't forget, tomorrow Mr. Quik will be at the Indianapolis Indy Humane Mutt Strut event here. They'll be giving out medals for the dogs at the end of the race, and they'll commemorate the moment for you with a photo at their photo booth. It's going to be a great time. The weather should be nice as well. A little bit on the cool side, but we won't complain out there. At least we should be dry for much of the day tomorrow before that rain starts to work in late in the day. But the rain that comes in will be fairly light, which is good news. And this morning, talking about rain, we had a lot of rain last night. The rain is starting to push out this morning. We are going to see some sunshine today. This afternoon should turn mostly sunny, so we're going to end our Friday on a positive note with some sunshine. Temperatures today should rebound to the low 60s, but it will be a windy day, so winds could gust 30 miles per hour at times today, so definitely plan on that. Tomorrow, we're going to start today with some sunshine, start you off with temperatures in low 40s, probably around 50, low 50s by lunchtime. We'll get a high of about 59 tomorrow, so definitely a cool day, and it's going to be a chilly weekend out there for sure. Rain comes in later Saturday. I think we could see a few showers as early as 1:32, but I really think most of this will be more around 3 o'clock and afterwards when we start to see more in the way of some showers moving through. Showers tomorrow evening. Snow will be falling in Michigan and Wisconsin with this system. So it just shows you that winter's trying to come back, but we will see the warmer air, I think, trying to win out for us next week. But the problem is we're going to see a front get hung up over the region, and that's going to lead to a daily chance of showers and storms. Every day next week, a chance of rain. Temperatures will depend upon where a front will set up here, but we'll go with a middle approach here and kind of trend temperatures a little bit warmer for Indy. We'll go with temperatures around 70 next week for highs, lows in the 50s. And again, plan on a rainy week next week, but before that, we should get a nice day Sunday with some sunshine and temperatures in the 50s. So, hope you guys have a great day and a great weekend, and be sure to come out to the Indianapolis Mutt Strut event tomorrow. It's going to be a great time. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys have a great day.